Hello students, this is exercise number 10 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine February 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. With respect to what my friend is asking us to do, I am one with him. I would be the happiest person if this is included in the chapter of fundamental rights. I would be the happiest person. But there are certain difficulties, and those difficulties are to be taken into account. My dear friend standing here said that unless you change some other provisions in the Constitution, it is not going to be possible for you to implement this fundamental right. Supposing we are not including this in fundamental rights, but supposing we are trying to implement it in Maharashtra, the employment guarantee resolution was passed and then the law was passed. Now we are trying to see that this is included in the fundamental rights chapter. But there was difficulty in America when President Roosevelt, under the New Deal, made a law to see that those who were in service were not retrenched in the recession period. That law was challenged in the Supreme Court and that law was first struck down. When he came out openly and when he said, I packed the benches, that packed the benches phrase changed the entire situation, and a different judgment was given, and law was again declared as not ultra vires of the Constitution. That is the position there. Now, if you make a change of this kind, if you pass a law that is not going to help us, it may somehow or the other create so many difficulties. We have Article 32 in our Constitution. What does Article 32 and also Article 26 provide? Article 32 provides the right to an individual to go to the Supreme Court in order to enforce the fundamental rights made available to the citizens. In the Fundamental Rights chapter, Article 32 is also there. I do not mean that the people should misinterpret me when I say that Article 32 creates difficulty and that Article 32 should not be there. I do not mean that Article 32 would be necessary. Difficulty arises as Article 32 is there, and if fundamental right is made available to the citizen, that citizen can directly go to the Supreme Court. Article 32 says that writ can be issued against the government. There is the right available to the citizen in the fundamental rights. Article 32 is there, and Article 226, which is not treated as a part of the fundamental rights chapter, also gives the same kind of right to citizen in the High Court as given by the fundamental rights.